Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to look at is two things. I want to look at the count of applications, but I also want to look at the the number of people who applied. So that's like the number of unique entries, so an example of that would be if you have like 200 applications for training, which is fine. But then, for example, some of those people might have applied more than once. So you want to find out how many people you actually have. So I'm going to put down number of applications of applicants. So I'm going to go here to count of applications, go to my data. No, let me just go to count of application. And I'm just going to use a straightforward CountA. So double click on CountA, go to data, and basically just highlight that one, press enter. Okay, so I've got 1001. Now I don't actually have 1001 because what I should have done, of course, is counted it from not from the heading. So CountA, go to my data, click on one here, and then if I just do Control Shift arrow down and Control Shift arrow down right to the bottom, so that I keep it in mind, that's more like 1,000. Okay, so just maybe bear that in mind. Now I'm just going to go and I want to check if there's been duplicate applications. So go to Data, and I just click up here. I'm just going to choose my email. I'm going to go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and Identify Duplicates. And let me see if there's any duplicates. Okay, and I'm just going to do a quick filter by color. So I don't think, it doesn't look as though there's any duplicates at all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy and paste in a couple of extra applications here at the bottom, and then we'll look at how you'd use, we'd see then exactly how many, how you'd actually do that. Let me just pause this for a second. Okay. Now you can see here I've just duplicated a couple of names down here at the bottom. So it means that some of these people have applied more than once. So the way I would do that as a formula is I'll go here to count of applications, and what I would do is I'd use a function called unique. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is unique, go to my data, highlight this one, and then close it. And it's going to give me a list of those, which I don't want. Okay, and if you notice up here, I need to click back up on the first one, and then I go type in CountA. Close this one first. And just these is what's called one of the new dynamic array functions. So you see there, a number of applicants is still 1,000. So the number of applications is 1,003, but the number of applicants is 1,000. Okay, so you can also do that with a distinct count, which I'm not going to cover. So just if you need to do that. And again, I hope you find that useful, and mind yourself and take care.